Here is the old man Banksia. Oh, look, it's home to lots of birds. This is what we use for our story, the seed pod. Can you see them on the floor? So many. What creative ways can you use these old man Banksia seed pods? The wind was blowing. Gusts were roaring through the branches of the she oak tree. The she oak tree was very old and very strong. It swayed this way and that. Hold on tight, little branches, the old she oak called out to the branches at the very end of its steady arms. They were still young and not as sturdy. And then, just then, the wind blew. And one little branch broke off. It whirled and twirled and tumbled until it finally landed on the forest floor. The little branch felt rather dizzy and wasn't sure where he was at first. The little branch stood up and looked around. Everything looked different. Where were his friends, the other young branches? He could no longer see the tops of the trees or birds' nest in top of the tall pine tree. The more he looked around and around, the sadder he became. He felt all alone. Then suddenly, he heard a familiar sound. Woo-hoo! Woo-hoo! Owl came swooping down out of the tree. Whoosh! And sat down beside Little Branch. "You look sad," she said. Little Branch began to sob as he told the owl about the wind that blew him down. "I'm all alone down here. My friends, the other branches, are still up there, and I can't see Bird's Nest anymore." The owl listened patiently, and when Little Branch was finished, she slowly said, "You are not alone. This is the beginning of a new adventure for you. When a branch like you falls off the tree, it becomes a stick, and everyone loves to be friends with a stick, for a stick can do many, many things." "I'm a stick now?" the little branch asked, "but I don't know what to do." "Don't worry, you will find out soon." And with that, Owl spread her wings and flew back up into the tree. As he got closer to a big tree, there was a leaf right in front of him. It was yellow and shiny, and it was looking around as if he was looking for something. "What are you looking for?" asked Little Branch. "I'm looking for my friends," the leaf answered in a quiet voice. "We were all next to each other before the wind began to blow, and then suddenly it blew so hard I couldn't hold on any longer." "The same thing happened to me," the little branch said quickly. "But it's okay. My friend Owl told me that I will make new friends and I'll be able to do lots of things because I'm a stick now." "New friends?" questioned the leaf. "How do you make new friends?" "I think, you simply ask them." "Will you be my friend?" said the little branch. "Do I want to be your friend?" "Of course I do." The leaf thought that was a better idea than sitting here all alone, and Leaf had always been curious about the rest of the yard and the nearby dunes. "Yes, let's be friends. I'm Tuckaroo Leaf. Who are you?" "I'm Stick. You can call me Steve. I used to live up the top of the old she oak tree," the little branch replied, who was no longer a branch, but a stick. Side by side, they began to walk through the dunes. So Stick and Leaf began to walk side by side through the dune side. I wonder what Stick and Leaf discovered on their walk. What did they do? Who did they meet? Was it an animal? Thanks for listening to our story today. The story was called Steve the Stick Makes a New Friend. So we used a she oak branch, we used a tuckaroo leaf, and we used an old man banksia for our owl. What things in your yard can you use to create a story? We'd love to hear it. Bye.